No, we're not.
Just the two of us.
Oh my god, you are joking.
So we are going to Ireland to do a financial freedom challenge. I'm going with my wifey. First time Amanda's been out on a financial freedom challenge with me. Amanda, come on. How are you feeling about the challenge?
Excited.
You excited?
Yeah.
So we're leaving the kids behind. They don't know we're going yet. And we're going to go for like a week?
Yeah.
We're going to go for like a week? Have we planned much for this?
No. We don't even know where we stay.
Have we studied the Irish market?
Nope.
We have not studied the Irish market. We have not planned for this trip. This is almost a spontaneous FF challenge, as always. Are you, what are you expecting for the week?
I don't know. Hopefully, good houses, good deals.
Yeah. Do you reckon that I'll manage to become financially free in Ireland in a week?
Yeah, I think so.
You reckon I will?
Yeah,
Are you confident?
Yeah, I'm confident.
We're going on an FF challenge in Ireland. We're actually not. I'm taking it on a surprise holiday to Belgium and Paris. So, are you excited, Amanda?
I'm excited.
FF challenge.
I think it would be good.
Alright, let's go. Looking at the pictures of Belfast, where we're going to be,
Oh, yeah.
what are you thinking?
I'm not like excited.
As in what way?
It doesn't look like particularly. It just looks like Stoke-on-Trent. It doesn't look like anything special. Anyway.
Have you got my passport?
Yeah.
Have you got your passport?
Yeah.
Check, because just in case we need to go to Dublin.
It's Amanda Leeds here, and we are in the car on our way to Belfast, Ireland, with Samuel. I'm joining him this time for his FF challenge there, and it's just dawned on me that, I mean, I don't know how much of a good time it's going to be.
Did I kind of rope you in to begin with by saying, it's going to be fun?
Yep.
And you were like, okay.
Yep,
But
yep.
Since you've been looking at the weather.
I've been looking at the weather, and it's like not going to be as nice as where we are now. So
It's raining
it's a
all
bit
week.
of a downgrade in terms of weather.
But what you got to remember is though, this is not a holiday. This is we're going to be working hard. We're going to be doing deals.
Yeah. No, it's. I think it'll be exciting to see you in action, because I haven't actually seen you doing an FF challenge. I've just always seen the videos.
Yeah.
So
How much preparation have we done about the Irish market and about Ireland?
Zilch, zero. We don't even know which part of
We don't even know-
Belfast
we don't
or
even
Ireland
know-
or whatever we're going to be in.
We don't even know if we're going to end up in Dublin. We brought our passports just in case. We don't know if it's pounds or euros in Ireland. We've only been to Ireland once for one day because we had to go and pick up a parcel once from Ireland. That's it.
Yeah, that's
What
it.
strategy do you think we should use in Ireland? Like, do you think we should do lease options, deal packaging, BRR? Like, how on earth, going to Ireland with no money, are we going to become financially free?
I really don't know. I really don't know. But lease options always seem to be. I think it's like a good strategy in most places, because there's always going to be people that.
Yeah, lots of negative equity in Belfast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that might be the one that we end up using, but I don't know.
I think so. And how confident are you on a scale of 1 to 100 that I am going to be able to become financially free in a week in Belfast or in Ireland?
95%.
Only 95, not even 99.
Okay, well, it could be 99.
Alright,
but
how confident are you?
I'm very confident.
How
that you'll
confident
do
are
it.
you that I'm gonna do a deal and make some money in the next 7 days?
Oh, 100%.
You just know it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's gonna happen. The first time when he was going to Sheffield, I remember I cried because I didn't know how long he was going to be away for. He was just kind of like, I've blocked out, I think it was a few months, wasn't it?
I blocked out 4 months.
He blocked out 4 months, and he just said, I'm going to Sheffield to do an FF challenge, and however long it takes me to become financially free is however long it's going to take. So then I was a little bit upset.
Yeah, because you thought I could be gone for months.
Yeah, so I didn't know. So I was a bit upset the first time.
And I remember you saying to me, I hope to see you back for Christmas.
And I was just crying.
I hope
Yeah.
to see you for Christmas. It was like October. I was
know.
thinking, I'm definitely going to do it
And
by
it's funny
then.
because now, for people that watched it, probably just thought, oh, I was being so dramatic, because they're just like, Samuel did it like that in a week, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, but I didn't know that at the time. So now I've seen him do a few. I know that he's definitely very capable and competent. So, yeah. So I have no doubts that you will do what we're setting out to do. So,
which is to make some money, do some deals in Ireland
Yep.
from scratch,
From
with
scratch.
no market knowledge or anything.
yep, exactly. And I'm excited to see you doing it. Awesome, let's go.
Ireland! Come on, mate. Jump!
I ain't scared of you. And I'm the brains of the operation, so yes, we're
I don't think you are.
So we're going to Ireland and we're going to be doing an FF challenge with, I'm going with Samuel. So, yeah, so it's exciting.
Very exciting, that's so cool.
I'm really excited to go to Ireland, and I'm really excited to be with Amanda. So my question to you is, Amanda, if you were going to Ireland on your own and I wasn't with you now, what would you be thinking about the FF challenge?
So, if I was going to Ireland on my own without you,
Because you have a feeling I'll probably be the main one.
yeah, you'll be the main one. I personally would have done lots of preparation. I wouldn't just jump into something blind like you do. So I would have at least had a look at what kind of properties on Rightmove are available. So just kind of got myself familiar
I
with.
don't even think Rightmove is a thing in Ireland.
Oh, is it not?
No.
Oh, then I'd be very screwed. I don't know what I'd do then, but I definitely would have just done a little bit of research on, I don't know, different areas, see what other people are doing in Ireland, maybe gone on some groups and, I don't know, put it out there. So, yeah.
If you were going on your own and you had to do the FF challenge, would you be feeling a bit nervous now?
Yes, I'd be very nervous. I'm at the moment, I'm really chilled because you're the one. Everything's on you. It's down to you to ensure that you get financially free this week. So I'm just like, here for the ride, but I'm not really. It's not on me. So I'm definitely very chilled. If I was going by myself, I would be really nervous, especially if I was filming it. If I was going by myself with no camera and I had all the time in the world to do it, then it'd be fine. But filming it, and documenting it as we go, I think that would be quite nerve-wracking. It's depressing that the weather here is like so glorious. It's really nice. And I'm wearing this jumper, but it is really warm outside. It's 23 degrees. The sun is shining.
Belfast, it's currently 17 degrees and raining.
Great. I'm not looking forward to being cold, but it is what it is, We'll just go and make it happen, won't we?
Yeah.
Mainly me.
We'll see. What's happening, Amanda?
So we're just at News House. You're going to get your stuff, and then we're going to hit the road to, I don't even know where we're driving to after this.
We're going to head down to Ireland.
But how do we get to Ireland?
We'll have to ask Nu. Is Nu coming with us?
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Is Nu coming with us?
Of course.
Why is Nu coming with us?
Because he's the man with the plan with the camera.
Oh, that's true.
Am I missing something?
You're missing something.
What?
The truth is, Nu's not coming. And we're not going to Ireland.
Where are we going?
We're driving somewhere else instead.
Are you joking?
No.
Are you joking? Are you joking?
We are going to Paris.
No, we're not.
Just the two of us.
Oh my god, you are joking! You're joking! No way! Are you joking?
So, firstly, we're going to go to Belgium and get some chocolate, and then we're going to go to Paris and celebrate our anniversary.
Oh my gosh, I never expected it! Oh my god, babe, you!
Come on.
You knew this! And you didn't say anything!
And the weather is good!
Oh!
It's 35 degrees Celsius and
Oh, babe, you!
Are you excited?
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's it.
So I've booked the ferry. The ferry leaves in 2 hours.
Oh, snap.
So we need to shoot, and when we get to Belgium, we're going to get you some chocolate.
I could actually cry. Oh, babe.
We're going to get you some chocolate because we've been married 5 years.
It's so sweet.
So we're going to have chocolate tonight when we get to Belgium, and then we'll be at the Eiffel Tower for the anniversary.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I never expected it. Like, oh my gosh. You surprised me so much.
Happy anniversary! Oh, mwah.
That's the best surprise.
Boom! I was hoping that she wouldn't catch on. She didn't catch on. So now we're gonna go down. We're not doing an FF challenge. Sorry, Ireland. I will come and do an FF challenge in Ireland one day. But right now, I've got an anniversary to celebrate with my wifey.
Honestly, I'm so shocked. I didn't expect it at all. Like, at all. I'm so shocked.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, I've never been to Paris.
Have you ever been to Belgium?
No. Bye. Get out of here, man.